Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here with a new video for 2022 October-November ICT database part. In this part of the question paper they say you are going to prepare some reports. So using a suitable database package, import the file. So first of all we need to open Access the database application, create a blank database, and I will call it 2022 October November. I will save my database on the desktop where my rest of the documents and the files are. Database is created. I need to import a file now, external data, and then it's going to be a text file. So desktop, and the file is N2202 skippers. So just click on OK, next, then first row contains field name, then next, and then let's check the data types. So as they have mentioned here, we need all of them text. Year of birth is number, so year of birth is number, and then what we need to have is the rest everything. Handicap is number, so handicap is double or number, that's fine. And then after the rest all of them number except the group, that's perfect. Then just click on OK, next, and then choose your primary key, and they said sale underscore number is going to be our primary key, so it's this one. Next, finish, then just click on close. The file is imported. Right click and design view, make the changes accordingly as they mention. We want handicap to be 4 decimal places, so handicap with 4 decimal places. Okay, so we select from here 4 decimal places. Save and view. So this is how our database will look like. Now what we need to do is we need to import one more file, N2202 class.csv. So just close this one and get one more file which is a text file, and we call this one class. So next, first row contains field name, next, and then let's check the data types. So all of them are text starting from top. So crew is going to be number, and the rest all of them are number. That's perfect. Click OK, next, and then you select the primary key as class code, going to be our primary key. So class code is primary key. Next, then finish, and then just click on close. File is imported. Right click, go to design view, and now the last 3 should be with 2 decimal places. Hull should be 2 decimal places, beam 2 decimal places, and then sail area is going to be 2 decimal places. Save, and now we need to take the screenshot of the 2 tables now. So let me just take the screenshot of first this table. Okay, so right now I will just collapse the ribbon so that I can see all the information here. So I will just simply take screenshot of this one. Word document, scroll down, this is 1, and then click here, take the screenshot of this one including the table name, and this is going to be your screenshot 2. Now let me just click here and uncollapse this one, close the two tables, and let's move forward to create a one-to-many relationship now. So database tools, relationship, select both the tables, add them, and now create a relationship between class code in the class table and class in the skippers table. So class code with class, as you can see, it is here, class. Okay, yeah. So class code with the class. Let's click on enforce referential integrity, so it will show the type of relationship. Now you just simply take the screenshot of it and paste it as screenshot 5, evidence 5. So that's the evidence of your relationship. Now we need to enter the following detail as a new record in skippers table. Close this one, save the changes, and now apply the changes. Just go to the skipper table, open, and then go to new record here and enter the data as the answer Wang Chen. So Wang Chen, and then it's 1950, then sun rays, then the name is Severe Luna, then okay, now we will enter here PL003, then CHN 2644, it's CHN China, then it's female, and then it is 0.9800, and then here it's going to be blue, and it's 3, then 12, then 13, and then it's 4, and the points 32. So we enter the data, click on save, and let's follow the next step here, which is to create a report. So using field from both the tables, produce a tabular report. So close this one, create a report. So before a report, okay, you have to select from here something called query wizard to include both the tables skipper and class. Next, and this is the query for step number 14. So I will call it query for step 14. Just modify it, and what we need to do is we need to select the records where hull type is multi-hull. So let's look for something called hull type. Okay, so we have hull type, it is multi-hull, and then gender is female. So here we will select from here female, and then point is 30 or less. So the points less than or equal to 30. save and run, so you get the information here. Now next, show only the field, skipper name, nationality, and so on. So you can just simply go to design view. So we need the skipper name, we don't need the year of birth, we don't need the yard name, we don't need the make, class, sail, we don't need. Yes, nationality is required. Then we have here yard class, so we don't need even the gender, handicap. So here we have the group is not required even. We don't need these all fields to be there. Yeah, points even. So we need the yard class, yes. Then we need the hull type. So we don't need the crew gender. We don't need the age. And then after we have sail area is there. So sail area and hull type is required. Then sail area is required. Sail area, which is this one, and hull, beam, and points in this order. So we need hull, beam, and then points as well. So we'll just move a little bit back here and we'll click on points as well. So we will arrange them into sorting the data into ascending order of yard class. So yard class is here, I guess. We need to sort this one into ascending order, and then descending order of points. Points is going to be descending order. And then we should have a portrait orientation of the page. So I'm going to click save and close this one. I'm going to create a report now. So I will select the same order, skipper name, then nationality, then yard class, then hull type, then we need sail area, then we need hull, then we need beam, and then we have points. Same order. Next, no grouping of data. Next, ascending and descending is already done. So next, and then they ask us to have a portrait orientation. So it is portrait. Next, and there is a title that top female multi hull results. Copy this one and just paste it here at the top. Now just click on finish. Let's see how it will look like. So this is how it look like. As you can see, there's some data missing here. So right click, layout view, and try to fix the data if it is missing. So right now this one is perfectly arranged. Now this one need to be minimized. This one as well, the class of yacht. So I think that's enough. Yeah, that's fair enough. You can even just arrange the data as it is required. And this one now, you see the label was not clearly visible. Now hull is here, then the beam, and then we have at last the points. Now the data is clearly visible for all the fields. Next is we need to calculate the lowest points value and place this below the point column at the end of report. So we'll do that. Points, just right click here, then total the points, and then lowest means the minimum one. Scroll down, it's 11, right click, and has a caption, and the caption is going to be lowest point score. Copy, and we just write here the lowest score point score, something like that. Just done. And then your name, center number, candidate number on the report. They did not mention where, so we can just simply get a label from here. Okay, that's a label. Layout, I should go to design view now, and now I will get a label from here. Okay, just click in the report and then report design, a label, and let me include my name, center number, candidate number here at the top. Something like that. And then after, I will print it out this report, but right click, print preview. This is how it will look like. You just need to print it as only one page. And then it says that you need to take the evidence of the formula that you have used. So right click and design view. So that's what the formula that I have used for calculating the what you call the minimum price. So right now it's not displaying here, so let me just increase the size of it, and then I can see the formula here. So I will just take a screenshot of it. That's enough. And now I will save this one as evidence 6. That's it. Now moving forward to the next part, it's one more report here. So I will close this one. I'm done with it. Yes. So here it says that again you need to create a table, a report from both the tables. So I will create a query first from both the tables. Okay. From skipper table and from class table. Next, and I'm going to call it right now step number 15. So let me modify and finish it. So what exactly they want me to do there? Yacht name contains the text sun. So yacht name contains the word sun. So we'll put a star, then sun and star. Then it says group is blue or red. So let's look for the group. It's blue or red. Let's run the query. So that's what we got right now. The yacht name contains the sun. Okay. And now we need to contain a new field here as well. So design view, let's go to the end and contain a new field called new points. So copy this one, and then it's going to calculate runtime to multiply points by handicap. So we just simply click here, then builder. So we need to multiply handicap multiply with points. Okay, and then we need to change the name of the column, I mean the field. So you will find the new points calculated at the end. Then it should be displayed as an integer. So we don't want any decimal place. So design view, click here, decimal place 0. We don't want any. Save and run. So it's here with no decimal point, or you can simply decrease when you are producing the report not to mention any kind of points here. Either you just click here, and then the format that we have selected is a number and with 0 decimal points. So save and run. So even if it is, so you can just simply change it in the report. Right. Now let us select the fields. Show only the field skipper name. So we need to arrange accordingly now. Design view. So first we need the skipper name. Yes. Year of birth is required. Yacht name is not required. Okay. Oh, yacht name is required. Sail name is required. Make is required. Then yacht class. So let us check if there's any other yacht class here. Yeah, so we don't need this class. Then we don't need the group. Sorry, we need the group, but we don't need the sail, nationality, and I think gender as well. We don't need the gender. We need the handicap. We need the group. So group is required. The races are not required. Race 1, 2, 3, not necessary. Points are required, and then the new points are also required. So crew gender is even not the required field. Age group not necessary. Class code, then EL, then hull type, and crew hull, it's not required. So we need only the new points which is there at the end. Save and run. So age is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it's 10. So we are missing with some point here. So we need to cross check one more time. Okay, new points. Then we have the handicap. Yacht class is here. Make is here. Yacht name is here. Sail number. So sail number is missing here. So we will include the sail number. Save. And then they said we need to put them into ascending order of yacht name. So yacht name is here, put it into ascending order. Save, close, and let's create a report now. So the order is going to be skipper name, year of birth, then sail number, yacht name, then make, then yacht class, then group, then handicap, then we need points, and then new points. Next, no grouping of data, ascending, descending is done, and this time it's going to be a portrait orientation with a title at the top. So this is going to be our title this time. Finish. This is how it will look like. Now we simply right click and go to layout view to arrange the data. So skipper name is already here. That's perfect. Then year of birth. Okay. Sale number, yacht name, manufacturer, make, yacht class, group, and that's the group. Handicap, points, and then we have new points. So these new points should be in integer format. So you can just simply select them, and decimal points you have it already 0. So what you can do is you can just keep on reducing the size here, so it will be represented as an integer value with the point or with no point, doesn't matter. Right, let's move forward. We should include our center number and candidate number. Where exactly they mention? In the footer, so it appear on every page in a same position. Right click, design view, and just let me get a label from here, and I will put the label into the page footer, I guess. Okay, my name, then my center number, and then candidate number. Right click and now print preview. So this is how it will look like. Page 1, page 2. So that's it from the database part of this question paper. Hope you understand how to deal with the reports creation of the file of the database.